Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 11 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Gently pull back to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Unscrew 2 captive screws from the USB-C port. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the USB-C port from the motherboard. Gently pull back to remove the port. Replace the USB-C port back into its slot. Replace the bracket and tighten the 2 captive screws. Plug the USB-C port back into the motherboard. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 11 captive screws in the bottom cover.